Hey guys, it's Logan here. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make 2x2 piston door pressure plate activated. Works just like that. Alright, so materials you're going to need is 4 stone pressure plates, 12 redstone dust, 2 redstone torches, 4 sticky pistons, and blocks of your choice. So, I'm going to go over here. 1, 2, 3, 3. Just like that. You're going to place a block here. Same on the other side. Block here. You're going to put a redstone torch here. Fill all of this in. Redstone torch. Place a block on top of the redstone torch. Place redstone dust on top of that block. Same over here. And now you're going to place your pistons. Put your blocks. We're also going to want to fill this all in. Boom, boom. You're going to place your pressure plates. Just like so. And bam. You can fill it all in however you like. And that's about it. See you guys in the next video.